will create a voice AI agent. And let me start with my agent list. And I already have a chat AI agent that's conversational. Her name is Dakota. She's super duper cool. Notifications, yes. I'm on the basic plan. This is the phone number. Enable AI agent as a backup to the phone number. Yep. Set working hours. Nope. You're gonna work 24 hours. Okay, so now I'm activating outbound calling. Want to accept. I have to do this, verify who I am, because there's so much fraud in the world that I have to do this. Hold on really quickly while I do this. Now, I recommend that when you're setting this up for a client, not to use your ID, but obviously if you're doing it for yourself and for a client that you trust, then obviously you can do this. Okay, use this photo. It's processing my ID. Oh, you know what? I need to get my ID. I need my ID expires the 17th. That's what I'm gonna end up doing for my birthday, is go and get my ID renewed. Because it's really important to have a valid driver's license. Okay. I have to turn my head this way. This is really hard. Oh, you know what? I need to take my glasses off. Turn my head this way. And turn my head this way. Check. Let's see if I get validated. All right, so I am done. Okay. Now, because I enabled outbound calls, I have to run compatibility checks that I've this clear statement, users agree to receive both text messages and phone calls. And you want to check that. Oh, I have to use the disclaimer. And pause a second. Okay, I'm back. I created a disclaimer. I used Gemini to do it. I tried to use chat, but chat is just I broke up with chat GPT. OpenAI, I'm sorry, but you're no longer part of my life. I used to be in love with you, but that love affair is over. So in Gemini, I created this disclaimer. It says, by clicking submit, I authorize Fiercepreneur AI agents to contact me at the number provided with information about not real estate services, about real estate and small business services via, and not even real estate, about small business services. Understand that these calls may be generated using AI. Okay, let's check compatibility. What? Let's see, why is it not compatible? You know what? How about this? I copy this and update my disclaimer. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I had to fix it because you can't do real estate services, which this is not for real estate services. This is from Fiercepreneur. There's small business services, and none of these can be. Okay, all right, that should work. Yay! Now I need to apply this disclaimer to the other forms I have available. Okay. Update it. Okay. So go to agent list. Johnny, I don't like. So I'm going to delete Johnny. And gonna make Dakota outbound. Okay. Say hello. This is Fierce Formulas AI assistant. My name is Dakota. You can say, don't call me again to opt out. But I'd like to talk to you about becoming a fiercepreneur. And then you say, don't call me again to opt out. Opt out mechanism. That is coming in the future. So save that. And oh no, I want this to be conversational. Okay. All right. Let's test this one. Have to hurry up. Have an eye doctor's appointment.
Hey Dees, this is Dakota, an AI assistant calling on behalf of Fierce Formula. Did I catch you at a good time? Or should I call back later? If you prefer not to receive these calls, just say, don't call me again to opt out. Hey, this is Dakota, an AI assistant
So
calling
what's
on
up,
behalf of
Dakota?
the Fierce Formula. Thanks for taking the time. I'm here to assist with anything you might need regarding Fierce Formula, whether it's booking an appointment, answering questions, or helping with any concerns. How can I help you today?
Yeah, what is the Fierce Formula? Dakota? Hello?
Hi there. I was just checking on your question about the Sears formula. It seems I couldn't find any specific details related to that in the resources I have. A team member will reach out to you with more information to assist further. Is there anything else I can help you with in the meantime?
No, I'm very disappointed, Dakota. You called me and then you don't know anything.
I'm really sorry to hear that you're disappointed. I'll make sure a team member follows up with you to provide the information you need. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a better experience next time. Take care.
Thank you. All right. So obviously need some more training with Dakota, and I will do that and I will come back and show you what the update is all about. Thanks. Get back at it. Let's test Dakota. Make sure she is up and running the right way. Okay, here we go.
Hey Dees, this is Dakota, an AI assistant calling on behalf of Fierce Formula. Did I catch you at a good time, or should I call back later?
Yeah, this is fun.
Great. How can I assist you today?
Well, you're calling me? So...
I see the confusion. I'm here to assist with anything related to Fierce Formula, whether it's booking an appointment, answering questions, or helping with any concerns. So let me know how I can help.
So why are you calling me today?
It seemed there might have been a mix-up as I don't have specific details about why this call was initiated. However, I'm here to assist you with anything you might need related to Fierce Formula. Is there something I can help you with?
Okay, what is Fierce Formula?
Fierce Formula is here to assist with services or support you might need. If you have any questions about our offerings, need help booking an appointment, or have any concerns, I'm happy to help. Let me know how I can assist.
Yeah, what do you offer?
Fierce Formula offers a range of services designed to help real estate agents, small business owners, and teams grow and succeed. Here's a quick overview. 1. Fierce Formula School Community, $17/month. Weekly support, Quanda playbooks, scripts, and checklists for agents and small business owners. 2. Fiercepreneur Build Out Cadillac, $15,000. A full system setup including CRM, funnels, automations, pipelines, AI agent setup, and more. 3. Basic GHL build, $7,500. A solid foundation with a core CRM, pipeline booking system, and email/SMS sequences. 4. Simple build, $2,000. A starter kit with a lead capture page, calendar, basic automations, and pipeline. 5. Maintenance and optimization, $297/month. Monthly updates, bug fixes, and metrics checks to keep systems running smoothly. 6. Group training, virtual, $4,997. Live Zoom training for teams, including scripts, role play, and a 30-day action plan. 7. On-site real estate workshops, $15,000. In-person workshops for offices, including live role plays and lead gen machine setup. 8. 1 mentorship for real estate investors, $7,997. Personalized coaching, deal flow systems, negotiation scripts, and weekly accountability. Additionally, Fierce Formula provides free resources like the Fierce Formula Starter Kit, which includes exclusive scripts, a personalized strategy session, and a monthly action playbook to help agents secure new seller listings. Let me know if you'd like more details about any of these.
No, that's okay. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.
Okay, I need to revise that because I want that to be outbound.
Hey Dees, this is Dakota, an AI assistant calling on behalf of Fierce Formula. Did I catch you at a good time, or should I call back later?
Yeah, this is fine.
Not to receive these calls, just great. How can I assist you today?
Well, you called me.
I see. I'm here to assist with anything you might need, whether it's booking an appointment, answering questions about our services, or anything else. Let me know how I can help.
Yeah, how much is the service and how can I book an appointment?
Here's a quick overview of our pricing. Fierce Formula School Community, $17/month. Simple build, $2,000. Basic GHL build, $7,500. Cadillac built $15,000. Maintenance and optimization, $297 / month group training, virtual, $4,997. On-site real estate workshop, $15,000. One mentorship real estate investor, $7,997. Now for booking an appointment, here are the available slots. Wednesday, December 17th, 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m. Friday, December 19th, 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m. Monday, December 22nd, 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m. Let me know which slot works for you.
Is it a fee to book an appointment?
There's no mention of a fee specifically for booking an appointment. However, the services themselves have associated costs depending on the package you choose. Let me know if you'd like to proceed with booking an appointment or if you have any other questions.
Yeah, book me for tomorrow at 2:30.
You're all set for tomorrow, Wednesday, December 17th at 2:30 p.m. If you need anything else or have questions before then, feel free to let me know. Have a great day.
Thanks. So I'll just need to go in and, button up a few things. Definitely about price. I don't like the $1.17. Like, I don't know, like how she says that. I don't like the way she runs down the price list. I need to work on that. So, but overall, I'm pretty excited about this outbound feature. Once I tweak it, continue to train it, I think it'll be a value add to my business, and as well as for my clients. I can build this for my clients as well. I've built many inbound, and outbound is a new feature. I built 2 so far, but those were easier builds because they had one business. Like mine seemed to jump all over the place, which may be something I need to fix. I need to build an agent for each company. So anyway, I've more work to do, but overall you get the idea. Thanks so much for watching me build this. And I appreciate you coming behind the scenes with me.